You can install radiant heating in your home's floors one of two ways. You can install electric mats or cables above or below the subfloor, or you can run tubing above or below the subfloor to carry heated water. If you're planning to lay down new flooring, go ahead and install it above the subfloor so the system has direct contact with the floor. Regardless of which system you choose, install insulation below the system so half the heat generated won't be wasted heating the subfloor or the level below. If you have access to the level below, the installation is much easier. For an electric heating system, you'll have two choices: low voltage mats or high voltage cables. Cables may require an electrician to run a separate circuit for the system. Electric mats are simply stapled to the subfloor. If you choose to install a hydronic system of heated water, you'll need to drill holes in the joist and thread the flexible tubing through each joist in a snaking pattern. You can install the heating system in about a day, depending on the square footage of the floor you're trying to heat. However, don't install radiant heat behind toilets. The heat will melt the toilet's wax ring and cause it to leak. For more detailed information on this and many other popular projects, check out the DIY projects and ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.